That's right. Good luck. It's a big procedure. No, I mean the whole thing will only take a minute. How long will it take?
Hey, this is Mark. Yeah, got some new stuff in, and my other video didn't do right, so I'm gonna try this one and see what it'll do. But anyway, we got that right there, the Typhoon H Pro, the Pro model we got. And then we got the Breeze, which is pretty cool, in that little box right there. And then got the Typhoon Q500 4K by Unique. So, and we got a we got the Mavic Pro right here by DJI. Can't really see it, but yeah, that's the Mavic Pro right here. So got four drones that will be flying here soon. So, but anyway, that's just an update. I don't know what happened to my video earlier. And plus, I got these. I got the 130S right here. It flies good. Then I got a little Scout helicopter right here. It's just something fun to play around with in the house. I tried it outside, but it don't fly too good. And these are the little batteries. Now, LiPo batteries, regardless if it's this one. Let me cut this down right quick. It's TV, I got it going. But it don't matter if it's these little batteries right here, or you got the big Typhoon batteries, or the Unique Breeze batteries. You always need to monitor your batteries. Don't leave them charging, because they could catch on fire. LiPo batteries are known to do that. And you need to get a LiPo bag to put them in, just in case if they do that. It'll protect it. So, yeah. So you need to do that. And then also I have this one right here. It was just, I think a $50 drone. It's got a camera on it. Place to put a SD card in it. It's just something to play around with, you know, just something, I don't know. And then I got the Inogen that's the charger for my Pro Platinum over there. So I got a few things that we're going to be getting out this spring. I haven't done anything yet, but that's what we'll be doing. So, and this is my wonderful computer, my PS4, and all that. And of course, got my ham radio right there. I'm a severe storm spotter. And but yeah, got my iPad right there. But anyhow, alright, we're gonna get out of here, and we'll get out all this stuff. And if you need to do any shopping, drones, parts, service work, anything, go yeah, let me get this thing. Go right there, CarolinaDrones.com. I'll keep it there for a minute. So that's how you spell it, CarolinaDrones.com. Alright, well that's it. For all your drone needs and all that. yeah. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Y'all have a good day. And be safe. And we're gonna get up flying here hopefully when the weather gets better. It's been rainy, cold, yeah. So we're gonna get out there and go flying. I got a good friend of mine, basically my brother. We're getting him started in drone flying, so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna upload this video probably tomorrow, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on, because it was doubled video for some reason in my other upload. I may delete that video and just see if we'll go with this one. But anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good evening, good weekend. Super Bowl's this Sunday, and date is 2/2/2018, and the time I got is 11:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, Birmingham, Alabama. And we'll check y'all later. Y'all have a good evening.